Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. I just wanted to come here, do a video, show you that you can use this site every single day to cash out to make money online. So if you see here, I have 587 points equal to $5.87. We're going to cash that out. But first, let me do a recap. If you're brand new, please subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified, like this video, share this video so that other people can learn how to make money online. Okay, so this is Prizerebel for anyone that's new. You can do surveys, offers. We have our rewards, I'll show you. You can do raffles, lucky numbers, contests. You can invite friends, just like I'm doing here. So we'll go to surveys. If you're a survey person, you have Opinion World, Your Surveys, Pro, Taluna, Peanut Labs, Innovate, Gold, and Say So. Okay. Offer walls, we have Peanut Labs, AdGate, Offertoro, AdGym, AT Studios, Ascend, and Revenue Universe. The ones that I like is AdGate, Offertoro, Ascend, and Radium Universe. That's the ones I do. You just have to scroll down, like for make sure you clear your cookies. I click info submit, so all I have to do is submit some info. And this is 90 cents. This is 49 cents. This is 90 cents again. Okay. Not all of these will credit, but you can keep doing them until you find some that do. 56 cents, 85 cents. Our goal is to make $5 every single day. If you go to Ascend Media, you can see that there is a video section. You can let your computer run while you watch videos. It's a very lucrative thing. Okay, so we're going to go back to the home screen. I want you to download the Chrome extension for Prizerebel because they do give you bonus points and bonus codes to give you 5, 10, 8, whatever coins without even doing anything because you're new. You can do the surveys down here. I used to come on here every single day and I wouldn't stop until I knocked out $5 so I could cash out. Every day we cash out on this site. So, the prizes, let me see the rewards. It depends on what you want. Over here, there's all these categories, okay? Subway's a new reward. Restaurants, gift cards, new reward. Lyft, new reward. Staples, new reward. Wine.com, Dash Pass. Baja Fresh, EA Sports, Amazon, Health and Wellness Product Voucher. The Amazon and the PayPal are the most popular. Let's see. We got Apple, we got Dunkin', we got Safeway, Restaurant.com. Talk about a great gift. We got a Bloomin' Brands gift card, Disney, Sweet Frog, Bonefish Grow. You just keep scrolling and they just keep loading. So there's tons and tons of gift cards. You could do this every day and go get yourself a free coffee. You could save the money. I always cash out in PayPal because I can use the money for bills and things that I have my goals are. So we're going to go ahead and cash this out. So we're going to go to PayPal. Okay. And there's 5, 10, 15, 20, 50, 100, 100. That's funny. They have 2 and 500. So we're going to go to custom amount because I'm going to cash out 587. So you're just going to put 587 in here. It'll require with zeros. Well, I did that wrong. So it would be $5.87. So it'll require 587 points. Claim this item, click OK. Want to show your gift off? Click below to share. I never share because I do YouTube videos like this. You see my balance is now 0 points. I've earned 60 points yesterday, 60 points this month, earned this year $5.22, lifetime points 5,300, wait, 53,971. 96 reward claim, 107 referrals. But don't worry about referrals, guys, because if your referrals don't get on here and do things, you don't make any money. So make sure you just focus on yourself and what you do. All right. So I wanted to do a quick recap. I wanted to do a cash out. I wanted to show you that this site works and you can use it for your daily income, for gas, for groceries. We use multiple sites on this site. Go back and watch some of my older videos. I show you more sites. I'll be having more videos upcoming. So if you like this video, please share, please comment, please like, please share, please subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'll be back shortly with some videos. I hope you guys have a fantastic day.